Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to group and ungroup objects in Figma. Grouping is a powerful feature that helps you organize your design elements and streamline your workflow. So let's get started. Grouping objects in Figma allows you to manage multiple elements as a single unit, making it easier to move, scale, and apply changes. And grouping lets you break these groups apart when needed. Let's open a new file to demonstrate these features. Now here on your canvas, first thing that we can do is by creating some objects to work with. So in this case, I'm going to draw a few shapes on the canvas. First one is rectangle shape. And then I'm going to add a leaf shape or circle. And then I'm going to add a star and a polygon. And here actually you can add any elements you would like, such as text or icons. Now to group these objects, start by selecting them. Click and drag to select multiple objects, or hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click on each object individually. And then right click and then select on group selection. Alternatively, as you can see, you can press Ctrl+G on your keyboard when using Windows or CMD+G when using Mac on your keyboard. So as you can see here, our objects are now grouped together. We can move, resize, and apply changes to the entire group as if it were a single object. Now, even though our objects are grouped, we can still edit individual elements within the group. All we need to do is double-click on the group to enter isolation mode, like this. And this allows you to select and modify individual objects without ungrouping them. So for example, I'm going to change the color of its object. For example, here, I'm going to select this. Fill the color, another one here, and the two shape will be the same. So once you're done editing, click outside the group to exit isolation mode and return to the main canvas. Now let's ungroup our objects. Select the group by clicking on it, then right click and choose ungroup. Or alternatively, you can Ctrl+Delete or Ctrl+Shift+G in Windows, CMD+Shift+G on Mac on your keyboard. So our objects are now ungrouped and can be individually selected and edited again. Now Figma allows you to create nested groups, which means you can have groups within groups. So let's create a nested group by selecting two objects, grouping them, and then selecting the group objects along with another object to create a larger group. Now, nesting groups can help you organize complex designs and keep related elements together. So here are some tips and best practices for using groups in Figma. First, name your groups. Always rename your groups to keep your layers panel organized. Double-click on the group name to rename it. Second, use groups for repeated elements. If you have elements that are repeated across your design, group them for easy duplication and management. Lastly, third one, keep groups manageable. Avoid creating overly large groups. Break down your design into smaller, manageable groups for better organization. And that's it. You've learned how to group and ungroup objects in Figma, as well as some tips for managing your groups effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.